Hey. Alright, so we got a little log on here today. This is an ash tree. It's about 15 years old. And it came from the bottom of the hill. So, yeah, let's get at her. Basically maxing out the 130 max. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm getting through this ash tree, basically maxing it out. And I almost hit the blade guard on the way through. But let's get some water on this and see what that ash looks like. That's going to be pretty when it dries. What do you think, Lou? Is that a pretty nice tree? Yeah. So, I think you can see it when I come through here. So, if you look at it right there, there's the blade guard And there's the blade basically all the way along there. I guess I got another inch. Oh, until there. Till there, then we're basically touching right there. So yeah, that's maxing it out. All right, getting through this log. I just wanted to stop because the grain right here is just amazing. Just swirls everywhere. It's beautiful. And here too. So it looks really nice. And this is the other half of it. So see just how pretty it is. Just that grain like that. That is sawn flat. It has all that movement. It's very cool. All right, continue sawing. Got 4 more planks, I guess, to get out of that. Alright, so this one is a little closer to the heart. So the heart's down here. And I know with ash, this along here, it's just going to pop wide open when it dries out. But right now, it is gorgeous. What's up here? Yeah. Gonna be some pretty tables, coffee tables, benches, something beautiful. Alright, so earlier, before I started milling up that ash, I milled 2 more wall logs, this one here and this one here. So the pile's getting bigger. I got quite a few done, so that's good. There's still more on the ground to mill, so I'll mill that up. And then this is the last of the ash here today. Just that log turned into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slabs and 2 kind of funky things that probably turn into benches, or who knows, maybe even something. They'll turn something. But yeah, happy to get through that. So nice and peaceful up here. Hopefully you can hear the birds chirping. All right, have a great day. Cheers. Bye-bye.